Welcome to another session of All About ECE. In this session, we are going to discuss about the more in detail regarding the while loops. Yesterday's session we have been seen only syntax and related a set of 2-3 lines of code. But in this session, we are going to write a 10 lines of code, which is going to print a set of lines such that it has to print a 4 lines, which is in the same order. Okay. So let's quick recap this one, whatever we have been discussed in the previous session. So let's I have been taken some loop while I'm checking the condition in such a way that so I need to print something. Correct, right? So I need to print something. I need to print something in such a way that it has to print. Whether it will true, let's run this one. So when I oh, sorry. Why it is continuously repeating? Because I didn't mention the incrementation. So that's why when you are not specifying any increment and decrement, it will leads to an infinite loop. So make sure that this has to corrected by you. And shop this one, and I'll again rerun it. Then I'll going to get allobot allobot. This is we saw in previous session, right? So what I want is, along with that, I need to append some information to the all about ECE. Like all about ECE, it's like engineering I want to add. I want to append, right? So I need to use another loop. Let's say, okay, let's say I'll take j equals to 1. So what I want to know, I want to write another while loop. It means I want to use the another while loop inside loop. So j equals to j less than equal to 4 times I want to print engineering. Okay. So print engineering. Okay. And after that I need to increment the value of j. Correct, right? J is equals to j plus 1. Whether it will work, let's see. Let's run this code. Oh, sorry. Okay, syntax. Let's run this one. You can see first all about EC in first iteration it is I equals to 1, so I all about EC printed. After that j equals to 1, it means inside loop, right? It will complete. When this fails, then only it will goes to outer loop. It means it is asking in such a way that it is printing on the next line. I don't want that, right? So I want to print in the same line. For that, what I mean say, for that we have one operator, one thing is called end space. When you have this thing, you can print in such a way that it will in the same line. I want this one also, right? In same line I want end space equals to. So let's run this one. Oh, I got everything in the same line, right? I don't want, right? I want each and everything. So what I will do, after the completion of this loop, I'll write one printf statement. It means I want in the next line. Let's run this one. So I want in the next line, but it is only for the one line. It means only for the all about EC I'm getting engineering, but I want each and everything, right? Why it is not happening? Because here the value of j is, in the first case when I is equals to 1, the loop has to complete within itself. It means j is already 4, so it is, when it is 4, after that it will going to be 5. It means 5 less than 4, the condition is failed, right? So when the condition is failed, it is not going to be evaluated. So only the all about EC, it means the condition of I only outer loop only checking, right? So but I want print each and everything, right? So what I need to do, I need to update the value of j at each iteration. It means when it is complete one complete 4, if it is completed j equals to 4, then I need to update the value again j. then only I'll able to get that thing in the same line, right? So when you update one, so first thing, whenever I am updating, so if you suppose if you remove it, in such a case one time it is going to be printed, but I want to 4 lines, right? So in such a case I need to update each and every time the value of j. So let's run this one, whether I'm able to get right. So right, so I need to space in between all these things. I can make a space also. Let's run this one. Yeah. So I hope this is very clear, right? When you want to write the same thing in the same line, you need to use end space. If you are not specifying the end space value, then it is automatically redirected to the next line. In such a case, you will not going to get the same thing, right? So let's have a quick recap on this. So why you are assigning j again means, in this case the value of j is incremented by, it is nested loop, right? So it has to execute this inner while loop first. After that it is going to be evaluated the this while loop. In such a case what it is going to be happen means, whenever you are executing particular commands, so the value of j is already 5. So in such a case what is happening means, it is already happening in the first line itself. When I is equals to 1 only, the j value is 5. So in such a case, you will going to get append the engineering in 4 times only for the first term. But I don't want to do that one. I want to repeat the same thing for the each and every line. In such a case, I need to update the value for every loop j is equals to 1. In such a case, I'll going to end up with a thing, this thing. So in the beginning itself, you will feel so difficult. This is I am not understanding. So in the beginning itself, you feel like that only. In the beginning we itself feel same thing, but we are not confirmed that we don't have that much ability to understand each and everything. But when we work on so many things, we do such things different, we will be able to get the things more clearly understandable. I hope if you like, if you are enjoying this video, if you like this video, please hit the bell icon and share to everyone. And if you are not subscribed till now our channel, please subscribe our channel. That makes me motivate to this like of tutorials more and more. So until this, keep watching all about ECE. Thank you for watching.